Good morning, everyone. This is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, August 10th. The key points for today: we will see elevated winds with widespread wind speeds in the 25 to 35 mile per hour range. And we do have a lake wind advisory in effect for American Falls Reservoir due to elevated winds creating hazardous boating conditions, especially for small craft. And we'll see a warming and drying trend for late this week. Highs today will be similar to yesterday's, but temps will start increasing by a couple degrees, give or take, for Friday and Saturday. And the next question is, will monsoon moisture make it this far north? It is increasingly looking like it will remain further south into Utah for the weekend and early week, next week time frame. But with that being said, we do have slight chances for just isolated showers and storms across the extreme portion of southern Idaho Friday into early next week. Current look at satellite imagery. The last bit of clouds are pushing further east into Wyoming early this morning, and we're expecting mostly clear skies with the exception of maybe just a few mid to upper level clouds, especially maybe across the Central Mountains and the Island Park area, Montana Divide, but mostly clear skies today. Our weather risk outlook for the next several days: windy area-wide today with that lake wind advisory for American Falls Reservoir. It will be breezy tomorrow and Saturday as well, but the only other thing to really speak of are just those slight chances for showers and storms. Like I mentioned, pushing further north, potentially into extreme southern Idaho, and that takes us Friday into early next week. Our high temperatures for today, like I said, similar to yesterday's. Good portion of the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and the Southern Highlands looking at upper 80s, and our mountains to the north generally in the 60s with 70s in the mountain valleys. All right, the wind gusts for today: widespread wind speeds over 25 miles per hour. You can see here in yellow, these are the speeds over 30 miles per hour. We could see isolated, localized areas even reaching above 35 miles per hour, and that's most likely in the Arco Desert area and the ridge lines of the Central Mountains. Temperatures for tomorrow: lows generally in the 50s for the further west and south portion of the area, and then for our Central Mountains and Eastern Mountains, mostly in the 40s. And for the highs, just a couple degrees warmer than what we're going to see today. And our winds for tomorrow, still going to be breezy. Good portion of the area across the Snake Plain and Magic Valley will see speeds over 20 miles per hour, but generally capping out at about 25 miles per hour. And our temperatures for Saturday, again, just a couple degrees warmer, continuing that very gradual slight warming trend, but portions of the area could start to break 90. So just to summarize, winds are the big topic today. Widespread speeds of 25 to 35 miles per hour. Isolated areas could see stronger wind gusts. We do have the lake wind advisory out for American Falls Reservoir due to hazardous boating conditions. Late week warming trend and drying as well. Highs today are going to be similar to yesterday's, but then we'll see a gradual warming, slight increase in temperatures for Friday and Saturday. And then we're continuing to see how models are handling the monsoonal push. It's looking like upper level features are going to keep most of that moisture further south into Utah. But do keep in mind there are very slight chances for isolated showers making it up into the South Hills, Southeast Highlands area through early next week. That's all we've got today. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. Hope you have a wonderful day.